What is this? Salmon Vgene. Please don't be a V for a reason I think you might start with a V. Hi everyone, WIGO Warrior here, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new, WIGO stands for When You Get Old. I am 53 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, and doing unboxing videos. If you have stopped by to check out what is in the July 2020 Ipsy box, then you're in the right place, and keep on watching. Okay, so I always feel bad for Ipsy because I always tend to receive my Boxycharm before I get my Ipsy, and I do my unboxing video straight away. So I always feel I'm slightly biased. So fingers crossed, Ipsy, you have a good box, because it's really hard not to be biased when you do one unboxing before you do another one. If you are new to Ipsy, Ipsy is a beauty subscription which actually has 3 different price models. They have a, I think it's $12 a month bag, which you get 5 products, which tend to be trial size, deluxe sample, and sometimes they have full size products. The next box value is at $25 a month, and that is what I subscribe to, where you get 5 full size products. And then they have their Ipsy Ultimate, which is $50 a month. You get 12 products, 8 are full size and 4 are sample or deluxe sizes. All right, I'm super excited. Please have a card. Ipsy, you know how I feel about having a card. All right, so this is what the box looks like. All right, I see a card, but I think it's going to be an advert. Please be a card. I don't know why I don't get cards. This looks like an advert. Your ultimate staycation. Take a break. Ipsy, you make me do so much extra work. Okay, so I'm going to reach in and I'm going to pull out the bag first this month. Interesting. It says Wanderlust. There's a little airplane on the zipper dangle. I like the material. It feels like if something spilled, you could clean it up. I don't know what this is. Vinyl meets plastic. But it's nice. Do I like the yellow and orange on purple? Not so much. But it's not too shabby. I have received much uglier in other bags. So, all right. Let's reach in and get the first product. This is it says clean and effective probiotics and superfoods. I'm reading what I can read. What is this? Probiotic skincare. Ooh, it's by TULA Skincare. It says protect and glow. Comment down below if you find it annoying, like I do, that the product doesn't just clearly state, I'm a sunscreen, I'm a moisturizer. They give all these fancy marketing terms. What is this product? Probiotic and superfoods, TULA Skincare, protect and glow, daily sunscreen gel. Okay, that only took 15 minutes. Yay, I love a good sunscreen. Does not come sealed. Let's see if it has a scent. This is what it looks like. Oh, it does have a smell, but a nice one. It's very soft and subtle. The gel cream is very, very light. Seems to absorb into the skin. What is that scent? It's like if light lemon sunscreen and a sugar cookie had a sunscreen baby. I'm just making stuff up, but that's what it smells like to me. Okay, I am loving that product. Ipsy, you're off to a good start. I will list what the price is since there is no card. All right, next item. What is this? It's heavy. Feels like, looks like it's going to be either an eyeshadow or, based off of the color, maybe a bronzer. It's by MAKIAGE, and we have received products from this brand before. I do recall, I think it was an eyebrow gel and eyeliner. I will link in the eye above those videos that contain those products in case you're interested. All right, this says Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color. Okay, so it must be an eyeshadow. Let me figure out how you open the packaging, because it looks like it's gonna split this way. Give me a second. Oh, it's taped. That's why. Okay, so there's some tape on the corner here. Oh, I was right. Okay, but it doesn't open this way. It opens this way after you remove the tape. What interesting packaging. And this is very heavy. It is metal and not plastic, which looks pretty until you get fingerprints all over. All right, why are you so hard to open? Okay, so it lifts up like this. Let me do a swatch. It looks like it may have a shimmer. Could be a little, oh no, it's not as dark as I thought. It's a nice, cool tone shade. That is very, very pretty. Okay. All right, 2 for 2. Ipsy, next item. What is this? Salmon Vgene. Please don't be a V for a reason I think you might start with a V. What is this? Hydroactive eye cream. Okay. I don't know where my brain was going. What is this? Total Regeneration, Anti-Wrinkle, and Brightening Blended Sodium DNA, Dermatologist Tested. It's by a brand called DUFT&DOFT. Not familiar with that brand. But you know me, I love skincare, and particularly anything to do with the eyes. And if it brightens, and if it's salmon in color, dark circles, bye-bye. It comes safety sealed in the form that there is plastic surrounding this. Let's see what the actual product looks like. Oh, it is not salmon. It says Salmon Vgene. So I assumed it would be salmon color because it was under the eye. It is not. It is just a white moisturizer. Which does have it does have a scent. Kind of floral. I don't mind it, but some people are sensitive to fragrances in their skincare products, but I don't mind. All right. Ipsy, you're 3 for 3 this month. All right, next item. What is this? Oh, I see the word Tarte, and I see eyelashes. This is Tarte C Surfer Curl. This is a mascara in the shade black. I'm going to assume it's a mascara. Surfer Curl. Please be waterproof so I can wear you. Alright, this is going to be hard to read. It's white text on a very light seafoam green. Give me a moment here. All right, it says this is a volumizing mascara, and it's made in Italy. However, I did not see anything that said waterproof. I am curious. Oh, I just wanted to see what the brush looked like. That looks lovely. I am going to put that back on and add this to a future giveaway. By the way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment so you can be entered in my current giveaway. I am trying to reach 100 plus subscribers. So I want to thank and appreciate each and every one of you who is watching this video now. All right, so I don't blame the product. This is a personal preference for me. My eyes are watery. I rub them. I have allergies. I prefer to use and wear waterproof mascara. I do not blame Ipsy. This is a fantastic brand, and the wand looked interesting. All right, next item. What is this? All right, I see the name, the brand name, Nature's Cartel. We have received a product from Nature's Cartel before. It was a liquid lips product, and I recall it was okay, but I didn't care for the shade. What is this? Based on size, is this a brow product, possibly? Okay, I'm not exactly sure what this is. There is no card. This could be a lip gloss, I'm hoping, a highlighter, or some kind of eye shadow thing. Okay, based off of this, I think and hope it is a lip gloss. Let's put it, yes. It seems like a lip gloss, but it smells like paint remover. I don't know if I want something that smells like that on my lips. It's also tacky, sticky. I'm gonna have to look up what this actually is. Ipsy, please provide a card. Why do you make this so hard? So I'm gonna pass on whatever this is. I will try to find info and put it on the screen. All right, let's recap what we got this month. We got a mascara from Tarte. We got a gel SPF sunscreen from TULA. We got a brand I'm not familiar with, an eye cream, which is Salmon Vgene. We got an eyeshadow from MAKIAGE, and a mystery product from Nature's Cartel. The bag this month is like a plasticky vinyl, great if you spill something, in purple. So give me your thoughts. Did you get as good as a bag as I got? I think it was 4 out of 5. The mystery product, no product should be a mystery. It's probably a lip gloss, but it honestly smells horrible, like varnish or something. And I don't want something that smells like that on my lips. Maybe it's a highlight, but again, I don't like sticky, liquidy highlights. So, Ipsy, sorry, that one's out the door. But the other 4 products I thought were really good. All right, thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you want to get entered into the giveaway, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and then click the bell icon so that you're notified of future videos. Thanks, everyone.